Tesla Bot Gen 3 is coming. Elon Musk says it could cook your breakfast, clean your house, and complete up to 100 tasks every single day. But here is the crazy part. It may only need 2 hours of charging and might cost more than a supercar. In this video, we will break down the 4 biggest upgrades in Optimus Gen 3 and the one brutal problem that could stop it from becoming a robot for everyone. Upgrade number 1. Human-level hands. Gen 3 is Tesla's first truly polished version, the one Elon Musk believes can finally take on real household tasks. According to Musk, humans have evolved to look and function the way we do, and everything around us, from tools to furniture to door handles, has been designed for human use. If a robot is supposed to do everything a human can, it needs a human-like form, especially human-like hands. Musk has repeatedly called the human hand an evolutionary marvel. It has over 27 degrees of freedom and a tendon-driven system controlled by forearm muscles, almost like a puppet mechanism, both powerful and precise. Thanks to our hands, we can swing a baseball bat, thread a needle, play the piano, or assemble an entire car. No other part of the body comes close in terms of versatility. If we want a truly general-purpose robot, the hand problem must be solved first. This is exactly where most other robotics companies fail. They can build machines that walk, run, jump, box, or even play table tennis, but they still cannot create a hand capable of peeling an orange or rinsing vegetables under running water. They fall short on the very tasks that humans actually want robots to perform. That is why Tesla is pouring enormous effort into Optimus hands and arms. Elon Musk has said that one of the biggest challenges is building a dexterous hand, and that producing thousands or even millions of these arms at scale is far harder than it looks, easily orders of magnitude more difficult than most people expect. Upgrade number 2. The kitchen exam. The easiest way to visualize Optimus' potential is to place it in the kitchen. Cooking is not just a sequence of basic motions. It is a full real-world exam for a humanoid robot. Even a simple meal like bacon and eggs demands a long chain of precisely coordinated steps. The robot has to open the fridge, recognize ingredients, pick up an egg without breaking it, turn on the stove, handle a pan, crack the egg, add oil, stir properly, and time everything just right. Every step requires a seamless combination of dexterous hands, cognitive intelligence, and real-time coordination. If Optimus can cook, that would mean it has truly crossed the threshold from being an industrial robot to becoming part of the human world. Compared to today's robots, the difference is huge. The robotic arms in Tesla's factories can weld car frames and attach components with incredible speed and precision, but they only perform well in fixed, pre-programmed, repetitive environments. Place them in a dynamic kitchen, and they would be completely helpless. This is the gap Optimus Gen 3 is designed to close, not just moving in straight lines, but operating in our messy, unpredictable homes. Would you trust a robot like this to cook your breakfast? Would you feel comfortable seeing it move around your kitchen while you sleep? To pass this kitchen exam, Optimus needs more than strong hands. It needs a brain that can learn almost like a human. Upgrade number 3. A brain that learns from video. One of the most powerful upgrades in Optimus Gen 3 is its ability to learn from video. As Elon Musk has explained, if Optimus can watch videos, tutorials, or how-to clips, and based on that video learn how to do the task the way a human does, then its task range expands dramatically. It can pick up new skills very quickly. All it needs is a tutorial clip or a recording of a human performing a task. From there, it can begin self-training in a virtual environment. In that simulated world, Optimus can repeat the action billions of times, correct mistakes, and optimize every movement until it reaches near-perfect precision. Once the skill is ready, it is transferred into the real world. Imagine showing Optimus a video of someone making a very specific dish. The robot studies every move, trains in simulation, and then the next day you say, "Hey Optimus, tomorrow, please prepare a sandwich and coffee for me." Optimus understands, selects the right ingredients, and even searches for recipes online if it has never cooked that dish before. When you walk into the kitchen, you might see a humanoid chef working as if it has trained for years. This is not just a pre-programmed factory arm. This is a system that can watch, learn, and then act in the real world. And that is the moment a robot stops feeling like a simple tool and starts feeling like a co-worker. Upgrade number 4. All-day work and all-around assistance. Optimus Gen 3 is not only becoming smarter, it is also being designed to work much longer. Tesla is targeting an upgraded battery system that would allow Optimus to work for almost an entire day with a relatively short charging window. The vision is simple: a robot that you charge briefly, and then it keeps working while you sleep, while you work, and while you relax, almost like a tireless roommate that never complains. Even in its Gen 2 form, Tesla has already shown what this could look like. In Tesla's own demos, Optimus can already pick up trash bags, clean tables, stir pots, vacuum floors, open cabinets, and close curtains. It has checked packages, served drinks, folded clothes, cleaned kitchens, watered plants, opened car trunks to retrieve items, and even joined family games, danced, and answered random questions. Now extend all of those tasks across almost an entire day of continuous work, powered by a brain that can learn new skills from video. That is why many people see Optimus Gen 3 not just as a robot, but as the beginning of a new kind of assistant. A machine that can live alongside you, take care of repetitive chores in the background, and free up hours of human time. Of course, all of this will not be cheap at first, and that leads directly into the one brutal problem. The brutal problem: speed and price. Now for the part almost nobody likes. The latest footage of Optimus left many people impressed, but also a little disappointed. The two biggest complaints are simple: it is still slow, and it is still extremely expensive. After an entire year of progress, its walking speed and overall movement still look cautious and stiff. In the clips we have seen, it moves as if it is wearing a diaper. It looks more like a careful toddler than a futuristic super robot. Tesla's long-term goal is for Optimus to reach around 5 miles per hour. Right now, it does not even look close to 2 miles per hour. Even though its gait is clearly better than in the very early prototypes, many people expected more. For a lot of potential buyers, Optimus needs to walk more naturally, less crouched, and still stay in perfect balance. That is the kind of improvement that actually convinces someone to spend serious money. Because nobody wants to pay a huge amount for a robot that moves slower than a turtle. Then comes the price shock. In the early commercialization phase, if Tesla releases only a limited number of units, many observers expect the price to be extremely high. For Gen 2, it could easily be around $100,000, and for a premium Gen 3, well over $200,000. Mark Benioff has even suggested that Optimus might be priced between $200,000 and $500,000. Elon Musk has not officially confirmed those numbers, but that range instantly became a hot topic of debate. At that level, Optimus is completely out of reach for most regular people and even for many small and mid-sized businesses. A middle-class family or a startup would struggle to justify paying the equivalent of several luxury cars just to own one robot. No matter how well it can thread a needle or play the piano, the gap between that price and the average person's living standard raises a brutal question. Is this really a product for the masses? Or will it mainly belong to big corporations and ultra-wealthy investors? This is far above the $20,000 to $30,000 range that Elon Musk once mentioned as a long-term target. Some people have even joked that the Tesla bot might cost more than a Tesla Roadster, while others point out that for a fraction of that price, they could buy a unitary robot instead. Musk has explained why this is happening. Almost everything in Optimus is new. There is no existing supply chain for the motors, gearboxes, electronics, actuators, or most of the components inside the robot. The only major reused part is the Tesla AI computer, which is the same one used in Tesla cars. That makes early production extremely expensive. Musk has openly said that producing 1 million units of Optimus per year will probably not be possible before around 2029 or 2030. Realistically, it may take another 6 to 10 years before Optimus can reach that $30,000 price point that many people are hoping for. So the big question is simple. Is Optimus Gen 3 a robot for everyone? Or will it stay a dream machine for the rich, at least for the next decade? Beyond jobs and healthcare, whenever powerful new machines arrive, one fear always appears. They will take all the jobs. History suggests that this fear is often exaggerated. When ATM were introduced, many people thought bank employees would disappear. Instead, lower operating costs allowed banks to open more branches, and the total number of staff actually increased. A similar pattern could happen with Optimus. Rather than simply eliminating jobs, robots like Optimus could create an entire ecosystem of new professions. Robot training, maintenance, supervision, AI programming, human-robot interface design, and roles that do not even exist yet. People could move away from exhausting, dangerous work toward jobs that require creativity, emotional intelligence, and social skills, where humans still have a clear advantage. Another area with huge potential is healthcare. With rapidly aging populations, by 2050, more than 16% of the global population is expected to be over 65. The world will face a severe shortage of medical personnel. A robot like Optimus could help fill some of that gap. It could deliver medication, assist patients in moving, measure blood pressure, record vital signs, and use AI to help detect early warning signs. Robots do not get tired, are not affected by mood, and can work through long night shifts without a break. There are still serious legal and ethical questions to solve, but the potential is too big to ignore. Humanoid robots are starting to move out of factories and into human spaces. With powerful AI and advanced hardware, they are beginning to learn, interact, and make decisions in the same environments where we live and work. Finally, Tesla Optimus could be a revolutionary product, not only in technology, but in how we live and how we work. With the upcoming upgrade to Optimus Gen 3, Tesla is clearly not just trying to build another gadget. It is aiming to create a true technological masterpiece. So here is the real question for you. If Optimus Gen 3 could cook, clean, take care of your parents, and never get tired, would you actually want one in your home? Or does the idea still scare you? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more deep dives into Tesla, AI, and the future of robots, make sure you like this video and subscribe for more.